We have given diagram, and we know that measure of angle ABC is given by expression 5x minus 27 degrees, and measure of angle CBD is given by expression 14x plus 17. We have to find measure of angle ABC and CBD. What we see here? We see that angle ABD is straight angle. So the straight angle has 180 degrees. This is our 180 degrees. We can write equation that measure of angle ABD is equal to sum of measures of angle ABC plus measure of angle CBD. ABC plus CBD. So now we can substitute a measure of angle ABD by 180 degrees because this angle is straight angle. So we have 180 degrees is equal, and measure of angle ABC is given by this expression. We have 5x minus 27 degrees plus measure of angle CBD is given by expression 40x plus 17. So let's forget about degrees and we can rewrite our equation. 180 is equal 5x minus 27. We can take down the parentheses and we have positive sign, so we copy exactly the same what we have in parentheses. Now we can combine the like terms. So we have 180 is equal 5x plus 14x is 19x, and we have negative 27 plus 17, so this is negative 10. So now I will move negative 10 to the left side, so we will have 180 plus 10 is equal 19x. 180 plus 10 is 190. This is equal 19x. Now, because we have multiplication on the right side, I will divide both sides by 19 because we need to find x. So 190 divided by 19 is 10. 19 and 19 we can reduce, and we have 10 equals x, so we can change the signs and we have x is equal 10. We have x. So now it will be very easy to find our angles. We need to find measure of angle ABC and CBD. How we can do this? We can substitute x's by 10 and we will have measure of angles, or we can find one angle, for example ABC, and because we know that this angle is 180 degrees, we can subtract from 180 degrees measure of these angles and we will have measure of angle CBD. It doesn't matter which way you choose, the answer must be the same. So let's substitute x by 10 to the first expression and we will have that measure of angle ABC is equal, let me copy this first expression first. We have 5x minus 27 degrees. So now I will substitute x by 10. So we have 5 times 10 minus 27 degrees. So this is equal 50 minus 27 degrees. So this is equal 23 degrees. Like I said, you can substitute x in the second expression to find angle CBD, or you can subtract from 180 this 23 degrees, and we will have this obtuse angle. So let's use the second method. So measure of angle CBD is equal 180 degrees minus measure of angle ABC. So this is equal 180 degrees minus, we have measure of angle ABC is 23 degrees. So this is equal 157 degrees. So this is my solution.